Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mutton in an instant pot. Start by browning your mutton directly in the instant pot. This crucial step, using the sauté function, builds incredible depth of flavor. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil and sear the mutton in batches until it's beautifully browned on all sides. This creates a fantastic crust and locks in those delicious juices, making your final dish much more flavorful. After browning, remove the mutton and sauté your aromatics like chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until they're fragrant. Next, deglaze the pot with about 1 cup of liquid, such as broth or water, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Then, stir in your chosen spices and return the browned mutton to the pot, ensuring everything is well combined. Now, it's time for the instant pot to work its magic. Secure the lid and set your instant pot to high pressure for 35 to 45 minutes, depending on the cut and desired tenderness. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. After that, you can carefully quick release any remaining pressure. This method guarantees incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone mutton. To finish, give your delicious mutton a final stir. You might want to add some fresh herbs like cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice for a bright, fresh note. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to ensure it's perfect. This tender, flavorful mutton is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or your favorite steamed vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.